Hi, I'm Udo. I'm part of the restoration team here at RoadScholars, and I'm here to show you the beginning process of a new car that we're beginning restoration on. So we're at the disassembly part of the process here, and what we have here is a 1964 356 Carrera 2 Cabriolet, a super special car. And what we've taken the time to do is take the car, disassemble the car completely, and lay all the parts out. So now we know what we're working with. And what we're going to do is we go through each part of the car, looking at the originality of the piece and what we can keep from it. For example, we'll look at things like headlights, take certain parts of the headlights apart, making sure they're re-chromed, engraved, and look original again with all original hardware. There'll be items like this fuse box cover, which is a really neat piece. It's in fantastic condition. It'll clean up well. Also, it has the original fuse order on the back here with the stampings on here. It's in fantastic condition. Things like this we want to keep. Obviously, this car is very special for its suspension pieces. We're going to restore the whole tank, and we're particularly looking at how different materials are joined to the tank, how long they are, where they're fitted, how everything is done that. So we recreate the exact process of the tank, how it was before. We continue to go through the car and find other neat parts, like the heater, will be fully restored and functional again. And even the pieces like this we can see the person who had stamped this, the employee, and even the factory primer on the back. This is a really special piece. We also take the time to note exactly all the pieces here for the window frame. This is really difficult to reassemble. We want to make sure everything is exactly right with that. We'll continue to go through the car. We'll send pieces out for chroming. Gauges will be redone. All the pieces of the car will be go through. This car actually comes with a hard top also, and the convertible top. We'll test that, both tops back and forth a couple of times to make sure the fit is perfect on the car before the car goes through additional body work and painting. This is a very special car in addition because of the 4-cam motor. The motor transmission are original to the car. These will be completely gone through too. There are amazing details on the car, camber control pieces. We have pieces here for the engine soundproofing that we've taken a lot of time to make sure it come off in one piece. And this car in particular was known for additional padding and comfort and quiet in the cabin. We've documented how each piece of the interior was put together so we can replicate that too. And as we go back through, the car adds some additional features like the luggage rack on the back. Everything is going to be re-chromed and gone through, engraved, and look fantastic condition. So right now, we get to assess the condition of the car with the pieces laid out like this. We're extremely excited with the condition of the car and look forward to bringing you next steps of the restoration as we keep going forward.